What up, guys? Tech King here with King City Customs again. Today is a new day. We are still hard at work on the G6. Currently, we have doubled both the sides, the top. We doubled the corner that's gonna load off the port because the port's gonna be on that side. So now we're going to put some black carpet over this so that once the box is in, you won't be able to see the back of the box from inside the trunk. We don't want to fix anything permanently here because we do want to still be able to get to these wires and be able to run up under the box if we need to run more of anything, whether it be new RCAs, more wires for toggle switches, for random things. You never know. It's just a piece of carpet that's literally going to dangle from that like a curtain kind of, but we're going to just spray glue it up with some Super 90, some 3M Super 90. So we're gonna get that done, and then we're going to begin to silicone a little bit, fill in some spots, and then on top of that, this entire inside of this box is going to get lined with what we call SPL tape, the silver HVAC tape. That'll be once everything's done. That's, you know, we're still a little ways out from all that. So today's goal is to get the back in. Today's goal is to get everything sealed up inside here, these 6 panels here, and then get the back on, get it doubled up. I'm gonna have to take final measurements after we get the back on and adjust for the front, for the baffles, to be able to tune it properly. That way I've got a good net air volume, because I've already calculated for bracing and everything, subs, and then, you know, as we tune it, we'll factor port displacement. That's our goal today. I'm gonna try to get some shots today of us actually working on it, whether it just be me siliconing or, you know, something along those lines. I want to give you guys a little action, see my big old goofy ass laying in this box, how I have been to work on it. Stay tuned. I'm sure someone's gonna be like, oh, you gotta spray the glue on both surfaces, it says right on the can. Well, it's not like this is bearing any load. It's literally gonna hold a piece of carpet up. We need 46 1/4, 44 3/4. Get my DD Audio straight edge here. Six and a quarter. 46 1/4. All right. 2. Then we're gonna come in 1/2 inch, and then we got a 6 1/2 inch from that point. Okay. Then we go here. We go 22 3/4. 7 1/2 from that point. So then this side is actually a 1/2 inch lower. So I've got to go in a 1/2 inch. Maybe just a touch over. Right about here. And we'll take the straight edge. Hey Ingram!
What?
You look like you play Cowboys and Cowboys.
Motherfucker talking about this is hurting my ears. What the fuck?
Hey now. That's because this is louder than Junior's ever been in his life.
I bought a cam cannon the other day.
What? Hey, that'd be a really creative way for me to launch dick pictures at Eric's wife.
Hey, you keep talking shit, I'm gonna do you a good fucking photo for your cover of your Facebook page.
Fucking do it.
I'm gonna stand there butt ass naked with this hat hanging on my dick.
Alright. Hey, Eric, with your dick, you probably need a Lego hat. What up guys, Tech King again. We're gonna give you a little update. We've been hard at work, kind of. Ran into a bunch of issues, had a little, make a little adjustments here and there. But we are making progress. This is done and sealed. We are going to, we're gonna SPL tape the entire inside of this box now. We still gotta wait on the silicone to dry. Yeah, so we're gonna tape everywhere but the edges, and then we'll come through and tape the edges last. That's what we're looking at, and after that, today's probably gonna be done. We're getting tired. It's been a long day. You know, we've got between this and customers coming in and out of the shop. We've had a lot of work we've done today. Soon. Y'all like my sound effects? Big old pork. Boom. Fuck yeah, guys.